Hello, my daily class, block 3, block 4. Hope you guys are doing okay. I just wanted to make the usual video and say hello and let you guys know what we got going on this week. This is our last video for the school year, which is a little bit sad, but I know we all need some rest and hopefully we have an enjoyable summer, all of us. I also made a new classroom banner for us, a little virtual classroom banner. Hope you guys like it. Let's take a look at what we have this week. It is week 6. Let's look at our agenda first. That's always been what I thought is most important. So, got your weekly video on Monday, check-in form, an ed puzzle on solutions, and then a homework where I just want you to do odd. There's challenge problems at the end. I don't want you guys to do those. Same thing on Tuesday. Well, similar. Complex roots, and then a homework on complex solutions. Just do odd and don't worry about the challenge problems. Wednesday, another ed puzzle. On that homework, I do want you to do all the problems on page 3. And then Thursday, I didn't give you any new assignments because I just want you to focus on those 3 lessons, okay? The first lesson is predicting solutions with discriminant and a graph. And you should be able to do both. So there is both on the homework. There are some notes on the homework as well, but you can add them to your notebook if you want. Those are optional, okay? So you guys got to start making some decisions about what's the best strategy for you now that you're going into Math 3, okay? Do these all say weekly video? Oh my gosh, that is so embarrassing. Let me erase this. All right, date 2, go to ed puzzle. Watch complex roots, do the homework, odd only, don't worry about challenge. Similar here, I just want you to do the ed puzzle homework, but I want you to do all the problems, and then you got some extra notes. If you choose to add those to your notebook, you can, all right? Let's see what else we got. Check-in form. Here's an ed puzzle and the homework that goes with it. So like I told you, there's notes at the front, and then here's where we're predicting the sign of the discriminant and the number and nature of the roots. So if you're wondering what it means by nature of the roots, look up here, and it says number and nature of the roots. It's also in the ed puzzle, obviously. Then down here, I'm just doing odd only, and I did tell you guys, do not worry about those challenge problems, like I said, all right? Another ed puzzle, another homework. Here is the notes. Print them if you can. If not, you can copy them down. It's totally optional and up to you to decide what is best for yourself. Odd and not the challenge, sorry. Odd only, skip the challenge. Another ed puzzle, another homework. Got a little bit of a breakdown, a summary of our our solving methods, including factoring, graphing, solving in different ways. And then here's the homework. The hard part is I'm not giving you a solving method. I'm just giving you the problem. I'm asking you to use one of the 4 methods, but there's 4 problems and 1 method per problem, so hopefully that'll help you narrow it down. And then I just want to do one more little review of discriminant because I think that's pretty helpful going into Math 3. And then I'll add this homework, and that'll be pretty much it. Not this homework, this video. Let's set that due date, and I think that's it, guys. If I could think of anything else I need to tell you, I will let you know on Google Classroom. I really hope that I get to see you guys again at the start of the next school year if you're going to be at West Campus, but I do know a lot of you guys are probably going to head to East Campus or maybe somewhere else altogether, but I just hope you guys know that I enjoyed the time that we had together in class, and you've been one of the greatest groups of students that I've had the pleasure of working with, and I know you guys are going to go on to do great things, and I hope you don't forget that I'm always here to support you however you think that I can. If you need letters of recommendation in the future, or if you just need somewhere to have lunch, or you just want to stop by and say hi, and in the future when we can all hug again, I'll give you a great big hug, alright? I really miss you guys, and I am getting a little emotional because I'm just going to miss you guys, alright? So take care of yourselves. Bye.